Let us consider the case when two cells are connected in parallel as shown in the diagram. You can see here that the two cells having EMF E1 and internal resistance R1 are connected to another cell of EMF E2 and internal resistance R2 across the circuit, which is not shown here. Now since these cells are connected in parallel, so it means the potential difference across these two cells will be same. Let it be V. While the current will divided and gives rise to the total current I. Now let us find out the values of potential difference across the first cell, that is given by V is equal to E1 minus I1 R1. So I1 R1 is equal to E minus V, or I1 is equal to E1 minus V upon R1. Similarly, we can write I2 is equal to E2 minus V upon R2. Since in parallel circuit the current divides and added to the equivalent current I, so I is equal to I1 plus I2. Here I1 is E1 minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2. So taking E1 and R1 terms separately, E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 is equal to I. Now taking LCM of this becomes R1 R2 E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus V R1 R2 R2 plus R1. Since we need to convert into V is equal to E minus IR, so we will take this term to the left side. So this becomes V R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2 is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 R2 minus I. Now taking this factor to the denominator, so V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by this R1 R2 will cancel out with this R1 R2 and we are left here with R1 plus R2. Similarly here I, this will become R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now when we compare this equation with the general equation V is equal to E minus I R, so it means this is equal to V is equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. So V is equal to, so we can write here E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2, and R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now consider the case when two cells of equal EMF, that is E1 is equal to E and E2 is equal to E, and also the internal resistances to be equal, R1 is equal to R and R2 is equal to R, be connected in parallel. In this case, from this expression, E equivalent is equal to ER plus ER divided by R plus R, that is equal to 2ER divided by 2R. So it is 2 to cancel out, R to R cancel out, that is equal to E. It means when two cells of equal EMFs are connected in parallel, their equivalent EMF will be equal to the EMF of single cell. Similarly, when we calculate R1 R2, R into R divided by R plus R, that is equal to R square upon 2R, R to R cancel, we get R by 2. It means R equivalent will be equal to R by 2. That is, when two cells are connected in parallel, their resistance reduces to half. Now if we generalize this, if n cells are connected in parallel, their equivalent EMF will be equal to the single cell, but their resistance will reduces by R by n.